how to use multiple accounts on WhatsApp, or how to use dual account on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Visnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use the multiple accounts on WhatsApp. Now, after the latest update, the WhatsApp has rolled out the feature where you'll be able to use dual account on your phone on WhatsApp. First things first, you want to open up WhatsApp. Once you have opened up WhatsApp, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner and then head into settings. Under settings, you'll be able to see varieties of options. Simply head into the first option that says account. Under account, now you'll be able to find the option that says add account below request account info. You can see there, simply tap on add account and then tap on add account again at the bottom of the screen. Once you do so, it'll ask you to agree the terms and conditions. You have to agree to it, and then it'll ask you for your phone number. You'll have to verify your number and you'll be able to log in. And once you're logged in, you can simply switch your account. So this way you can use multiple accounts on WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.